In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a DKIM record in GoDaddy. DKIM stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail, and it's an important way to help email providers verify that messages sent from your domain are legitimate and haven't been tampered with. Setting this up improves deliverability and reduces the chances of your emails ending up in spam. Before we jump into GoDaddy, make sure you already have your DKIM details from your email provider. This could be Google Workspace, Zoho, Microsoft 365, or another email host. They'll give you a selector and either a TXT value or a CNAME target. Keep that information open in another tab so it's easy to copy and paste. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to your domain portfolio. This is where all your domains are listed. Find the domain you want to set up DKIM for, and once you see it, look for the DNS button next to that domain. Click DNS to open your DNS management page. This is where all your DNS records like A records, MX records, and TXT records are stored and managed. On the DNS page, look for an option to add a new record. Typically, you'll see a button that says Add or Add New Record. Click that to start creating your DKIM entry. Now, you'll be asked to enter the details of the new record. First, choose the record type. This is important. Most email providers like Google and Zoho use a TXT record for DKIM. So if you're using Google Workspace, Zoho Mail, or most custom email servers, select TXT. However, if you're using Microsoft 365 or Azure, they usually require a CNAME record instead. In that case, select CNAME. If you're unsure, double-check the instructions from your email provider. They will specify which one to use. Next, you'll see a field called Name or Host. This is where you enter your DKIM selector followed by domain key. Your provider will give you that selector. For example, Google might give you something like Google, which becomes Google / domain key. Microsoft often uses names like selector1, which becomes selector1 / domain key. Type it exactly as instructed without your full domain name, because GoDaddy will append the domain for you. Then move to the value field. This is where you paste the long string or target provided by your email host. For a TXT DKIM record, it usually starts with something like vdkim1, k-sa, p followed by a long string of characters. For a CNAME DKIM record, the value will be a host name such as selector1 yourdomain.com, domain key followed by the provider's domain. Carefully copy and paste this and avoid adding extra spaces at the beginning or end. For TTL, you can leave it at the default, which is typically 1 hour. This controls how quickly changes propagate, and the default is usually fine. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your new DKIM record will be added to the DNS list. Keep in mind that changes can take some time to propagate, often up to an hour or sometimes longer. After that, go back to your email provider's admin or settings page and use their DKIM verification or check tool to confirm that everything is set up properly.